Most of the people often say that they want to learn English but they have no time to learn it. But learning English doesn't require any specific time. As a housewife, you can even learn English while doing household chores. Today, I am going to share few sentences which you can practice while making a tea. Believe me, English is as easy as making a tea. So, without further delay, let's get into the video.
एक पैन ले लो। टेक अ पैन। इसमें 2 कप पानी डालें। pour 2 कप ऑफ वाटर इनटू इट। गैस चलाओ। लाइट द गैस। 1 चम्मच चाय पत्ती डालें। ऐड 1 स्पून ऑफ टी लीव्स। 2 चम्मच चीनी डालें। ऐड 2 स्पून ऑफ शुगर। इसे थोड़ी देर उबलने दें। लेट इट बॉयल फॉर अ वाइल। 2 कप दूध डालें। pour in 2 cups of milk। एक छलनी लीजिए। टेक अ sieve